What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay. We're back with another video. This video I'm gonna be working behind the camera. It's been a while since I've done this, but hey man, we're gonna try and make sure that these Air Jordan 1 Low Fragment Travis Scott collab are 100% official. And in order to do that, we're gonna go through a little process. It ain't gonna take too long. I did have a comment telling me that these things look like something from Kicks Who, so who knows, are these things fake? I'm gonna find out at the end of this video, and if they are, I'm gonna cry myself to sleep for the next 7 days. Anyway man, make sure you guys hit the like button, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. But anyway, let's get started with this authentication. Let's look at this shoe, man. The first things first is what we are going to do is we are going to be using the CheckCheck app. So let's go here and let's start so we're gonna go here to new check, and then we're gonna go to Air Jordan 1, and well, I'm just gonna take pictures of the shoe. Let me get a good picture. I'll show. So we're gonna use photo. Next is the tag inside the shoe, and just kind of click on the tag. And next thing they want is the insole, so we are going to take the insole out of here. We're going to lay it down like that, and then we're going to take this picture. Now we're going to use the stitching inside the shoe. So what you want to do is go in here, and on here you will need the flash, so I'm going to turn that flash up. Okay, so there's a good picture there. So now I want a picture of the tag, retail tag and everything. So this is gonna throw it off. Right here it says I had to tape it, so we're gonna take a picture of that, and that's gonna throw it off a little bit, but we'll use the photo. Let's take a picture of here, right here. Boom. So we're gonna take a picture of that. I will be putting them like that, bam bam. And we're gonna take a picture of the heel right here. There's that. I'm gonna take another picture. I'm gonna take a picture of this here, like that, boom. This one right here, like what I was a little worried about or a little concerned is about like the gap between the fragment and the back tab right here, the Air Jordan tab. But honestly, I think they're all inconsistent. I think if it's like this part is really long and this fragment is right dead center, sometimes that could be a bad sign. So I'm gonna take a picture of this case. And I'm gonna go over, there we go, we hit next. Shout out to my boy Gaming Skinny, got his noties on. So we're gonna hit 30 minutes, that way we could get an answer in 30 minutes. This thing is, there we go. So we're gonna hit next, confirm, and we're gonna find out if these things are real or not. So there you guys see it, submitted it. Go back to homepage and I will find out whether these things are real or not. So let's start out by hitting these with the UV light. Let me turn off the lights real quick. So let's hit these with this UV light, and honestly you're not gonna see nothing on here. There's not much going on. There's no flaws. I don't see any flaws, any glue stains. I'm not seeing any of that on the UV light as I'm hitting it. You can't, there's like no glue stains. There's nothing, guys. There's nothing. You're not gonna see nothing. There's the watermarks, which is a good sign. It does have watermarks, but nothing shows up at all on this pair. No pen marks, no nothing like that. Okay, so that's why I think they're good to go. Like nothing showed up on this shoe. No, like I was saying, no pin marks or nothing. I should have sent him a picture of the lid. This does have like a red, it's a red ink with the lot number. Again, we need additional pictures. Come on, bro. All right, guys. So I am going to go back and do what I told you guys. I'm gonna take pictures of this here, which is the midsole part. Y'all see that right there? We guys take those, and we're gonna submit this one. Use photo, and then we're gonna take a picture of the bottom of the lid. That's gonna be the next additional pictures. This right here. Use. Okay, they're asking for need the heel part of the stitching back of the insole. I did all that, bro. I did all that. The back of the insole, the heel 2 times. So let's submit this. Man, this is gonna be a long video. One thing about the fakes though too is like this isn't gonna be as bold. You're not gonna have this as bold. It's not gonna be as bold. Then the Cactus Jack right here, the little logo, the little guy right here, he's not gonna be as bold either. It's gonna be like really thin and just a little bit smaller. I seen like where this right here didn't connect all the way to the swoosh, but on this one, that one did. Well, yeah, on this one it connected all the way to the swoosh. So on the fakes, I've seen them like stop right here, right before it gets to the swoosh. These fakes are crazy nowadays. Like, they're super identical to the real pair. It's insane. I almost blew my mind. It just makes me like, bro, like, you're not gonna be able to tell if somebody has a fake or a real. The only difference is that whenever they want to get rid of it, they're probably not gonna be able to sell it for much, you know. But if you just want to wear the shoe like you should, yeah, I mean, shoot, the fakes are there, and you guys could wear those and rock those, and you won't have to trade 4 sneakers for this one here. Like, it's not like I don't like fakes or like I'm against people who wear fakes, nothing like that. It's just like, you know, you wanna, you know, if you buy the real thing, bro, it's always gonna be worth something. So like, let's say if you have a huge collection, you know, and let's say you wanna just say, you know what, I'm giving up on sneakers. I love sneakers, but you know, I just want to get rid of my collection. You're gonna get some money in return. And if you buy fakes, and you have a bunch of fakes, you're not gonna be able to get any money in return. You know what I mean? So to me, I like that. You buy sneakers and you could trade for other sneakers, or you could just sell them. If you don't wear them if you don't want to wear them anymore, you could just sell them, make some money. At the end of the day, I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. That's what it is, bro. Like, if it was me not caring about, like, you're pretty much throwing more money away. Like, I know they say don't pay resale on sneakers, but you're throwing more money away buying fakes because you're never gonna get that money back. So you're burning all that money. Now, if you buy the real thing, you spend a little bit more, and you know, you're gonna be able to make that money back. So if you want to ever get rid of your shoes, you'll make some money back, man, and you'll move on to the next shoe. And the thing about fakes is, they're like, a fake pair of these is probably going to run you more than retail. You know, you're going to be paying more than what the retail price of these is. So that to me is insane, bro. When, you know, when people get mad and they're like, well, why'd you spend so much money on the real pair? You know, you could just buy the option B. And sometimes, you know what, man, the option B isn't really worth it, bro, because at the end of the day, you're spending more than what it retails for. You're still paying over retail, so you're still technically paying resale on a unauthentic sneaker. All right, guys, we have an answer. Finally, an answer. Finally, let's check it out, man. And they are a pass. All right, after all these pictures, bro. After all these pictures, my shoes are real, boy. Oh man. You know what? I guess I ain't gonna lose out on any sleep today. And so I spent 6 credits on legit checking these twice. Hit the like button for me, guys. Appreciate it so much. Subscribe if this is the first time you're watching the channel and you're not subscribed. If you are already, thank you. Salute to you, man. I appreciate you. It's your boy Jay Hernandez. We out. Peace. Saludos. Ladies.